We're dedicated to promoting those viable careers in skilled trades and technologies to youth across the province. And we're so happy that we have began to start a partnership with Tenaris and show the opportunities that are directly located in Sault Ste. Marie for the youth attending.
Overall, it's pretty fun. I could probably see myself working here.
It was really cool because I got to see the things that made the pipe.
Yeah, maybe in the future. It wouldn't be bad for me working here. It's always cool to do stuff like this.
Having the young people of the next generation to come in and see the manufacturing as an opportunity for a career, it's perfect. And I'm happy that the kids are getting a chance to see that firsthand today.
We got to go into the part where they cut the pipes and the machine's working. Yeah, it was super fun and inspiring. I liked it a lot. Hopefully I work here in the future.